Hey YouTube, it's Cass who. I am back with another video. As y'all see, I have a visitor in the back that's trying to hide. But anyway, y'all, today I'll be doing some barbecue chicken quarter legs. So let me show y'all what I'm working with today. Now I got this from Walmart. This is already, I normally don't get meat already seasoned, but this is like a dry rub, as y'all see. Barbecue. So I'm gonna try it out today along with some baked potatoes. So I'm gonna try this out, and I'm also going to add some barbecue sauce on top of it just to give it a little kick. So I'm about to get started. Go ahead, preheat your ovens to 350, and I told them about that already. And I'm also show y'all how to do baked potatoes as well, which is very simple. Excuse me. So, turn the camera this way so y'all can see what I'm about to do. Excuse me, y'all, for sniffing it. I just want to see what it smells like. Alright, so you know, normally y'all, when you get meat out the pack, you're supposed to just wash it with a little water, but these are already seasoned. Got to go ahead and put them into the pan. I'm gonna use a aluminum pan as well, y'all, which is kind of big, but I'm trying to make it a bit smaller than that. And normally, y'all, what I do, add just a little bit of water at the bottom of the pan. Just help tenderize the chicken. And I'm also adding just a little bit of barbecue sauce along with the water, so it can be like a flavored water to flavor the chicken up as it bakes. So this is going to be baked barbecue chicken. I don't know if I actually said that, but it's going to be baked barbecue chicken. Alright, I'm just going to add a little water in here. Not much. So y'all, if you all are new to my channel, make sure that you hit that subscribe button and that notification bell. And for the ones that are already on my channel, be sure to like, give it a thumbs up, share this video, comment on this video with any kind of mukbang you want me to do, any kind of challenges you want me to do, any kind of new recipes or unique recipe that you want me to try. Be sure to let me know. I'll be more than glad to do so. Alright, y'all, so as y'all see, I'm just kind of moving it around like this right here. So I didn't put that much water, and I don't know if y'all can see that. Let me just grab my camera right quick. So I didn't put that much water in there, just a little bit, along with the barbecue sauce. And what I'm going to do is place the chicken into this pan. You know, I know a lot of people don't really like meats that's already seasoned. I'm one of those people. But I'm trying this because it's a dry rub. So just place it in there. So with these are quarter legs, and you get 4 of them. So really like 8 pieces of chicken. So I'm only doing 1 pack of chicken, y'all. So what you want to do is add a little bit of barbecue sauce on the top of these. Just to kind of give it a little flavor. But don't add all of it. Because once they get almost done, you pull it out and add more barbecue sauce to this. So what I'm going to go ahead and do, wrap this bad boy up with some aluminum foil, stick it in the oven, and let it bake for about an hour. So just let it bake for about an hour. Or at least it says like fork tender. And then you can pour the rest of your barbecue sauce on there and turn the oven up a little bit higher, like to 375, so the barbecue sauce can get sticky. So I'll be back with you guys with the iced potatoes and show you how to do those. Alright YouTube, I'm back. As y'all see, I went on ahead and butter up the iced potatoes because these are going to be baked potatoes. And I put just a little bit of water in there. I don't know if y'all can see that. I put just a little bit of water in there just to give it steam so they can cook a little faster. I usually don't do them like this. I normally wrap them in foil individually, put them in the oven, but trying something different. I'm always trying something different. So this is my first time trying it this way. As y'all see, these are some big size potatoes. So I'm going to also place these in the oven for about an hour and a half. Because, you know, big potatoes like this take a long time to really get very tender. And so at least about an hour, maybe a little bit longer than an hour. So you just want to kind of check on them, keep an eye on them or whatnot. And what I'm going to do is cover these with aluminum foil. And pop these in the oven. I also have the barbecue chicken as well in the oven. So I have that in the oven as well. So I'm going to go ahead and pop these bad boys in the oven along with the barbecue chicken. And I'll be back with the finished product